Welcome everyone to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Mailbag. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and today's question comes in from a GM, and he says, I've worked for a local police department in Wisconsin for 26 and a half years and paid into Social Security for all that. I retired at 53 in 2014 and began drawing my pension from the state. In December 2014, I took a job as a special agent for the CN Railroad. I would like to work till 65 or 67. I'm turning 61 in October this year. At 67, I would only have 14 years of railroad retirement. Does it pay to take Social Security at 62 or wait until 66 and start Social Security? So great question on that. So if you take it early, right, you're going to have deductions, $1 for every $2 over, and it adjusts every year. I think it's around $19,000 this year. So if you want to take Social Security before, the only time I would suggest would be that year of your full retirement age, where it goes to $1 for every $3 over 50, I think it's $51,000 for the time of this video in 2022. Check out my video, A Good Time to Take Social Security Before Railroad Retirement, and that will give you a lot of insight on strategies to do at that time. So I hope you found this helpful. Everyone, please send in your questions. I'll shoot a video on them. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. And until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.